Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. So this question belongs to GATE CSE 2018. Okay, so by looking, the question is really big, right? Yes. So now let us understand what exactly they have written in the question. Consider a simple communication system where multiple nodes are connected by a shared broadband medium like Ethernet. Okay, so these nodes in the system use the following carrier sensor, the medium access protocol. Okay, so they are using CSMA CD only. Okay, CSMA only. Okay, so a node that receives a packet will carrier sense the medium for 5 units of time. Okay, so whoever is trying to receive, he is going to, okay, sorry for that, let us continue. A node that receives a packet to transmit will carrier sense the medium for 5 units of time. So whoever is ready to receive the data, he will sense the route. He will do carrier sensor for 5 units of time. Okay, so if the node does not detect any other transmission in this duration, it starts a transmission. Okay, so just give me a second. The node that receives a packet to transmit will carrier sensor. Okay, so let us continue. So if the node does not detect any other transmission in this duration, it starts transmitting its packet in the next time unit. Okay, so if the node detects another transmission, it will wait until this other transmission finishes and then begins the carrier sensor for 5 units again. Okay, so once they start to transmit, nodes do not perform any collision detection and continue transmission even if collision occurs. Okay, so all transmissions last for 20 units of time. Okay, so assume that the transmission signal at the speed of 10 meters per unit time in the medium. Okay, so assume that the system has a 2 nodes. Okay, so now they give the original case. So this is what we are in search of, right? So we are having 2 nodes P and Q. Okay, located at a distance of d meters. Okay, from each other. P starts the transmission at t equal to 0. So P has started the transmission at t equal to 0. Okay, so to be clear, if it has started the transmission, means it has already sensed it, right? So basically the sensing has started 5 seconds ago. So assume it has a -5, guys. So basically 5 seconds ago or 5 units of time ago. Okay, yes. So now it started already. Okay, after successful completing its carrier sensor, node Q has a packet to transmit at t equal to 0. Okay, so now at t equal to 0, the packet has arrived at Q and Q wants to send it. Okay, so that allows Q to okay, so the maximum distance d, okay, that allows Q to successfully avoid a collision between its proposed piece ongoing transaction. Okay, so this seems to be an interesting question, right? Yes, so basically each item will go at a speed of 10 meters per unit time. Okay, then what will be the distance is the question. Okay, so basically at t equal to 1, the packet has been reached somewhere, right? Yes, similarly at t equal to 2 also it will reach, at t equal to 3 also it will reach, at t equal to 4 also it will reach, at t equal to 5. So basically if you assume the distance as 1, so at t equal to 1 no issue, because at t equal to 5 after that unit, so at t equal to 6 it will send the packet, right? Yes, so before that until t5 it's okay, right? You can send the packet, right? Yes, so once we reach t6, so if the packet has not reached there, indirectly it will start transmission, right? Yes, so hence there is a chance of collision. So in the first this many units, so basically 1 2 3 4 5, so for 5 units of time I'm okay. So in 1 unit of time I can go 10 meters, so in 5 units I can go 50 meters. Got it? Yes, so in the examination I think units should be given. Is it given? Yes, it is given. So 50 is the answer. Got it? Yes. So the question is clearly simple, guys. The only thing is he elaborated the whole case. So that is the reason why the question is a bit lengthy, right? Yes. So let me revise you the question once again. So basically we are having 2 nodes, guys. So first node is ready and it started transmission at t equal to 0. They clearly told it. So let me read it here. Okay, so P starts a transmission of a packet at t equal to 0 after successful completion of carrier sense, which it's completed already. So if you recall, it is done at a t is equals to -5 in that way, and this has started at t equal to 0. At a t equal to 5 it will complete, and at a t equal to 6 it will send the data. So before it sends the data, this data should reach here. So we are having only 5 units of time. So indirectly in 1 unit I can travel 10 meters. So indirectly I can travel 50 meters in that 5 units of time. Got it? Yes. So it's a quite easy question. The only thing is the question is a bit lengthy, guys. Got it? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.